I'm sorry to have to meet you under these circumstances. Could you please tell me what happened? You were hit from behind? You were T-boned? The other driver ran a red light? The other driver got arrested for drunk driving? The other driver was speeding? The other driver got a ticket for reckless driving? You got hit head on? The other driver was arrested for driving the wrong way on the highway? What happened to you immediately after the accident? You were treated in the emergency room? They had to call in a specialist. You were airlifted to the hospital? They had to call in a plastic surgeon? You had an MRI? You had to undergo emergency surgery? What injuries did you sustain? You received facial injuries? You had a displaced fracture? Spinal cord injuries? They had to put rods and pins in your leg? You had a compound fracture? You incurred a traumatic brain injury? You fractured your kneecap? You had to have plastic surgery? You know, there are a number of complications that come up in a case like this. Some of them might include res ipsa loquitur, loss of business opportunity, assumption of the risk, injuries for pain and suffering, foreseeability, past medical bills, future medical bills, economic damages, future lost wages, rehabilitative care, loss of business opportunity, psychological injuries, joint and several liability. Sometimes we have to retain experts to assist us with the development of your case. Private investigator, accident analysis expert, accident reconstructionist, a neuropsychologist, a safety testing expert, economist, an airbag expert, neurologist, design expert, trauma surgeon, physical therapist, a vocationalist, accident prevention expert, occupational therapist. Let me tell you how these types of cases are handled. You need to find out what to do. You need to find out what you should not be doing. You need to have your rights explained to you. You need to learn what you should never do. Your lost wage claim has to be properly developed. Insurance adjusters oftentimes take advantage of unrepresented parties. Let me explain why it's in your best interest to hire a lawyer. You can't let the adjuster tell you what your case is worth. We handle all cases on a contingency fee basis. If there is no recovery, then there's no fee. We will advance all of the costs of the development of your case. Attorneys generally get you more money even after you pay their fee. We take all of the financial risk so you can concentrate on getting better.